My name is Manish Upadhyay. I am 51 years of age, and I was recently admitted in HN Reliance Hospital for a minor brain stroke.
हम लोग शॉपिंग कर रहे थे और हस्बैंड टोटली वांट करना बंद कर दिया और उनकी जो राइट साइड का जो हाथ और जो होठ था वो पूरा ड्रॉप्ड हो रहा था. सो मुझे ऐसे लगा कि कुछ तो मेजर है.
There was no prior warning or a prior indication of why this happened or anything of that sort. My wife suddenly panicked and I was brought to the hospital.
And then I realized कि मुझे जल्दी से जल्दी नज़दीक के हॉस्पिटल में जाना है. सो मेरे दिमाग में था कि नहीं, रिलायंस का नाम पहले बहुत सुना हुआ है. सो आई थॉट कि लेट्स गो टू रिलायंस ओनली बिकॉज इट्स अ वेरी गुड हॉस्पिटल. सो 2-4 जन से हेल्प लेके हमने उनको टैक्सी में बिठाया और मैंने पूरा रास्ते में उनको जगा के रखा कि यू जस्ट ओपन योर आईज, जस्ट बस ऐसे आंखें खुली रखो, आप आंखें बंद मत करो.
The advantage is that during this process we did not wait for any ambulance or anything. Given that the streets were crowded and the distance was not too much, without waiting for the ambulance, my wife immediately brought me to the hospital and we were here in about 20 minutes.
So Mr. Manish Upadhyay is a 53-year-old gentleman. He presented to us one Saturday afternoon with sudden onset weakness of the right upper and lower limb, with total speech difficulty and right facial weakness. This acute ischemic stroke, or what we call a brain attack, had happened 20 minutes prior to his presentation to our hospital.
जैसे ही मैं हॉस्पिटल आई और जो सर्विस डॉक्टर्स ने मतलब फटाफट इतना जल्दी उन्होंने रिएक्ट किया है, विदिन 10-15 मिनट्स उन्होंने MRI किया और MRI के बाद में उन्होंने मुझे गाइड किया कि ऐसा ऐसा प्रोसीजर करना पड़ेगा. उन्होंने मुझे सारे प्रोज एंड कॉन्स एंड सब कुछ बताया. पूरा टीम MRI के रूम के पास खड़ा था और सब मुझे गाइड कर रहे थे, ऐसे करना है, ऐसे करना है.
The treatment was under Dr. Manish Chhapriya and he immediately called in Dr. Vipul Gupta. Both the doctors immediately attended to me, and what I understand from the treatment is that an intravenous procedure was immediately initiated, and by that evening itself the procedure and all the necessary diagnosis and everything was completed.
In the emergency room, we quickly assessed him, did a thorough clinical examination, and then we did an MRI brain with an angio, which showed that one of his main left-sided brain artery was totally occluded. We gave him the injection which is called the clot buster thrombolysis injection because he had presented in the golden hour or the window period. After assessment, he was quickly taken to the cath lab where, with the help of a catheter, the thrombus or the clot which had occluded the artery was removed. With the help of a catheter, thrombectomy was done and 2 stents were placed because this artery was dissected. After which, the blood flow was restored to the left side of the brain. After the injection was given, we referred the patient to the intervention neurosurgery team headed by Dr. Vipul Gupta.
Thrombolysis was done, but we know when major vessels block, thrombolysis may not work. So we immediately took up the patient for intervention. Now angiography showed that his major blood vessel of left side, the carotid artery, had become dissected and was completely closed. So we performed immediate stenting to open up the blood vessel. 2 overlapping stents were placed and we could achieve complete brain blood flow in a very short while.
The next day morning, I was able to speak. I was able to move my right hand, my right leg, almost like a normal person.
डॉक्टर का रिएक्शन, उनका क्विक रिस्पांस, वो मुझे इतना अच्छा लगा कि शायद मुझे कहीं और इतना जल्दी रिस्पांस नहीं मिल सकता था और शायद और डैमेजेस हो सकता था. बट रियली अप्रिशिएट और हॉस्पिटल का स्टाफ, एवरीथिंग मैं इतना इम्प्रेस हूँ सारी चीज़ से कि जो रिएक्शन, जो भी प्रोसीजर है, जो भी डायग्नोसिस है, वो इतना फास्ट होता है कि मतलब हम सोच नहीं सकते. दिस इज़ अनबिलीवेबल. फॉर मी इट्स अनबिलीवेबल.
So now I'm feeling much better in terms of my overall functioning of my right limb, of my right hand, right leg, and all my movements are near normal. And as per the doctor's suggestion or the doctor's statement, this is a miraculous recovery.
The most important message for public is that patients should come in time to the hospital and should come to a place like stroke center, like in our Reliance Foundation Hospital, where very quick interventions can be done, and this can lead to absolute dramatic recovery in these stroke patients.